Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, October 2, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. BSRIA published reports on the compressor market for heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration. BSRIA has published the first of its series of regional reports on the compressor market for heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration. The report focuses on detailed product sales, with indications of production levels. The different compressor types covered in this study include rotary, scroll, reciprocating, screw and centrifugal, with focus on HVAC applications with separate data on air conditioning, air-to-water or water-to-water heat pumps and refrigeration. Transport applications are excluded. The first reports now being published cover the Americas and China regions. They reveal contrasting pictures in terms of applications. In the Americas, refrigeration is the largest segment in the market, with high volumes of hermetic reciprocating compressors for residential applications. Air conditioning is the second largest application thanks to a vast residential and light commercial market. Rotary and especially scroll AC compressors are the most popular in this segment. The heat pump market is in a nascent state in Americas. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Kaltra to participate in Chillventa 2020 trade fair. This year Kaltra is participating in the world-famous Chillventa 2020. The forum has long been widely known to all specialists in the field of refrigeration and air conditioning systems and our customers. During the pandemic, when personal communications in business are limited, the exhibition is held in a virtual format, but it continues to be a platform where we can present our latest developments and technologies, show our reliability and growing potential, become closer to our customers. Confirming its significant potential, Kaltra demonstrates substantial growth in production and supply volumes, simultaneous improvements of all business divisions, security and reliability of its assets, and a high degree of customer satisfaction. In the time of the pandemic, Kaltra has developed numerous services for customers to reduce the time necessary to create new promising, fully customized products, improve order processing logistics and ensure on-time deliveries. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AEFYT presents its first online course on refrigeration installations with ammonia as refrigerant. AEFYT, the Association of Cold Companies and Their Technologies, in collaboration with ACTISER, the Catalan Association of Energy, Climatization, and Refrigeration, presents another of its STAR courses this year in digital format, Refrigeration Installations course with ammonia as refrigerant, which will be taught on its virtual platform between October 20 and November 17, with a total of 20 teaching hours distributed in 5 sessions. The course program analyzes the operation of refrigeration facilities, establishing the basis for the calculation of the components, design and construction of ammonia refrigeration facilities. In addition, it places special emphasis on the particular characteristics that these facilities must meet with respect to safety, ease of maintenance and energy efficiency. Facilities that use ammonia as a refrigerant are experiencing high demand. Ammonia responds to the advances that the cold industry is making in terms of energy efficiency, and current legislation has helped to overcome concerns related to safety, he said. Manuel Lamua, AEFYT manager and course director. Therefore, this course is in high demand and responds to the immediate training needs of engineers, installers and those responsible for maintenance and safety. He added. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Introducing RectorSeal Academy. The RectorSeal Academy is powered by the Blue Volt Learning Management System, LMS, platform. The curriculum offers more than 24 RectorSeal produced, product knowledge online video subjects, such as condensate management, surge protection/voltage monitoring, plumbing/appliance leak detection, fire stop, coil cleaning, tools and other topics. The cloud-based platform operates easily on all computer devices and smartphones regardless of the operating system, browser or preference settings. Participants can access the free courses immediately after a brief online registration at www.rectorseal.com/academy. Most course videos are less than 15 minutes long and completion is at the student's own pace. Product and platform navigation help requests get linked to the RectorSeal products website pages, or to Blue Bolt customer service, respectively. Each course requires a short survey for future facilitation improvement. Some courses require a short test, knowledge check, and other interactive elements. A certificate is emailed afterward. Some courses qualify for North American Technician Excellence, NATE, Continuing Education Unit, CEU, accreditation. Read more the news on our website today. 5th News Today. Carrier launches healthy, safe, sustainable cold chain program. The need for safe and sustainable cold chain technologies to preserve and protect the supply of food, medicine, and vaccines around the world has never been greater. In support of this critical need, Carrier launched the Healthy, Safe, Sustainable Cold Chain program, designed to help customers meet rapidly evolving supply chain demands and make their cold chain activities more effective. The times we live in have increased the importance of cold chain resiliency and accelerated the need for more connected solutions from origination to delivery, said Carrier Refrigeration President David Oppel. Carrier is leading the way in research and technologies that will help our customers supply the food, medicine, and vaccines that can improve the health and well-being of the global population. We are uniquely positioned to support customers through our global installed base, broad service capabilities, and decades of experience across the cold chain. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.